To add photos to your Google My Business profile page. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add. You can also add logos, and you can also add the videos also. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the browser first. Okay, so here we are. First come to the Chrome browser or any browser. Just open your browser and just log in with the Gmail account, which account is associated with your Google My Business account profile. So just log in with that and come to the search bar and search for My Business. Then scroll down. Here you can see your listening. It is only visible to you because you're already logged in with your primary account. So just come to the view all business. If you have multiple business, it will be look like this. So just choose your business here. So just choose one. Okay, so this is your new interface of Google My Business. So it is look like this. So now in order to add photos, you can add the photos. So here you can simply see the option called add photos. If you don't find here, so you can see here down arrow, and you have to just click on it. Then you can see this option. Go to the add photos, and under the add photos you can see you can add photos, you can add logos, and you can also add cover photos. Okay, in photos you can also add the videos, and uh, okay, so here from here you can add the photo. Just click on it, go to the, you need to verify it. I actually, my this account is not verified yet, but from here you can just click on and browse your photos, and you can upload photos from your computer or device. Okay, same as you can add the cover photos and logos from here, and you can simply add your cover photos from here. Okay, so that is how you can add the photos in Google My Business profile page. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.